there is a change in our timing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is board 6.
6. You gave a homework.
Ah,
Ma'am, what plot?
that Ashish Unya and Ayan Mohammed, did you do the homework, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That one, no? Kate,
Yes, ma'am.
please.
Ashish was given 1.5.
Ashish was given.
Subtraction.
No, ma'am. Addition.
Total amount of cake.
Total
given
amount
to-
of
Amount of
cake
the
Yes,
cake
yes,
given to
given
both of
to
them.
both of
yes,
them.
yes. It is 1 and 1 by 3
and 1
plus
by
1 and 1 by 2. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
1 and
ma'am.
1 by 3 is 1 into 3 plus
is
1 by 3.
plus 1 by
That
3.
is
4 by 3.
4.
4 by 3. And 1 and 1 by 2 is 1 into
3 by
2
2.
plus
3 by
1
2.
by
3 by
2.
2.
3 by 2. So 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2. LCM is 6.
LCM is 6.
LCM is 6.
6, 6. So 4 by 3 into 2
Into 2.
Into 2.
into 2
2.
is
8
8
by
by
6.
6
8 by 6.
and 3
3
by
by
2
2 into 3.
3 into
9
3
by
9
6.
by 6.
9 by 6. So 8 by
by
6
6
plus
plus
9 by 6.
Plus 9 by 6 is equal to
17 by 6.
17 by
Will you
6.
convert it?
Ma'am, 4 1 by 6.
17 by 6 divide
I'm 17 2 by 6.
17 by 6. 2, right? 2. 2
17
and 5 by 6.
Ma'am, 2 5 by 6.
2 and 5 by
5 by
6.
6. Ma'am, I got.
Yes. This was our homework.
2 and 5 by 6.
Okay, children. So, not only for addition and subtraction, we are using LCM for comparison also. Compare. So we are using LCM in fractions for additions, for subtraction and comparison. I'll give an example. Question is, yes?
Did you give word problems in subtraction?
No, I'll send it as homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, children? So comparison. Comparison also we are using LCM. Comparison of fractions. Okay, children. Our first question is, which is greater? Which is greater? And first one is 2 by 5, 3 by 5. Which is greater?
Ma'am, 3 by 5.
Ma'am, 3 by 5.
So 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. This is our answer. Okay. But if we could compare it. We could compare it because the denominators are same.
Same.
Denominators are same. So we can easily compare it like addition, subtraction. If they are like fractions, it is very easy to compare. But if it is different, unlike fractions, it will be difficult. I'll give one example. Second question. Second question. Question number 2. Which is greater? Which is greater? Which is greater? 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. See children, we cannot compare it unless we make the
The
denominators same.
denominators same.
How can you make both the denominators are same?
Ma'am, finding LCM.
Ma'am,
Finding LCM. So if they are unlike fractions, we should find the LCM to make it compare. Okay, so LCM of
Miss,
3 and 4. What is
12.
LCM of 3 and
12.
4? You know it is 12.
Yes,
12.
ma'am.
No need of any calculations. 3 and 4, since
Because
there are no common
No
factors,
common factors.
multiply it. Okay. So we studied all the results earlier. Just apply it. So take 2 by 3 and make it as 12.
Into 4. Into 4 into 4.
8 by 12. And next 3 by 4 into,
Into
3 into 3.
3.
You will get 9 by
9
12.
by 12.
12. And now you can compare it. Which is greater?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 9 by 12.
ma'am,
Yes, somebody is calling me.
ma'am, I'm late to class.
Shravana. Shravana. No problem, Shravana. I have given one question. First question, compare. First, I'll show you. See. So, which is greater in this?
9 by
9
12,
by 12 is greater. But this is
so
not our question. Our question
3
is
by
not
4.
this fraction. So, conclusion you should not write like this. From where this 9 by 12 came? From which
From 3 by
fraction?
4. 3 by
3 by
4.
4. So that is our conclusion. 3
Ma'am,
by
can
4
you
is
show the
greater
question?
than 2 by 3. Yes, Shravana, you write this. I'll show.
Okay, ma'am.
I finished. I'm finished.
Okay, this is the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Shravana, this is the first question. Which is greater?
Ma'am, can you show the heading?
Comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions.
Let her take a screenshot.
Mm.
Ma'am, my laptop, so I can't take.
But there's a key.
There is a key, but that key is PRTSC, right?
Yes, ma'am, and we have to go and paste it.
That will be coming in another folder.
Ma'am, in the Microsoft Word.
Word. Okay.
Ma'am, we can snip also.
What?
Ma'am, we snip.
Snip. That is?
No, ma'am, if we in the taskbar, right, if we type snip, we will get an option. So we can just save it in a folder.
Taskbar.
Yes, ma'am. In normal computers, if you type snip, right,
Yes.
so we'll get an option. So we can drag and make a box where we want to create
Yes.
a
I'll
folder.
try. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show
Okay, thank you, Ananda Krishnan. If I have any doubt, I'll ask you. Okay. So, I'll show the screen. Okay, children, I'll give one question. Shall I give?
Yes, ma'am.
Compare. The question is, third question is compare. Third question, compare 4 by 5 and 5 by 6.
Ma'am, we can also compare using cross multiplication, right?
Don't do the cross multiplication here. It is not cross multiplication actually. We should not tell like this. This is LCM. Cross multiplication is such a way, this like this. This is known as cross multiplication. Don't use the word cross multiplication here. Actually, it is LCM method. It is LCM, but you used to do the call them as cross multiplication. It is wrong. That word we should not use here. It is LCM method itself. Clear? It is not cross multiplication. Cross multiplication in another thing. Actually, you will find that it is easy to call by cross multiplication, but actually its name is not cross multiplication. Okay.
Am I finished?
Yes.
Ma'am finished. Ma'am finished.
So how did you do? How somebody please explain?
First we will have to find the
First we have
LCM.
to find the LCM.
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 There are no common
LCM is
factors.
30.
Factors
We
just
can multiply simply.
LCM is
Then we
30.
have to
30.
convert
LCM is
the
30.
convert the denominators into 30.
Into
So
30.
we will get
That is
And
4
we have
by
to
5
multiply the
into
same
6
number
into
with
6.
the
Into 6.
numerators.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then 5 by
So
6.
24.
Yes, ma'am.
so we'll get 24.
5 by
Ah,
6
and
into
now
5
next one is 5 by 6.
5 by
5 by
6.
6
5 by
means
5
5.
And
into
5
5
into
into 5
5 into 5 and
So
25 by 30.
25 by
25 by 30.
30.
25 by 30.
25
Yes,
by 30
Then
is
25 by 30
greater
is
than
greater
greater
than
than
24 by
24 by
30.
30.
But we have to go back to the question because such kind of fraction
fraction.
is not there. Okay.
Then the fraction
Fraction is 5 by 6.
5 by
6
6
is
greater than
greater
4
than
by
4
Greater than
by
5.
4
5.
by 5. Clear, children? Is it okay
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Yes. Then next one is, I think you understood this. Compare. One more question. It's all numbers are no common factors. Now I'll give a proper LCM question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Compare 5 by 6 and 13 by 15.
13 by 50 is great.
Yes, yes, yes. LCM of 6 and 15. This you have to work out because common factors are there. Properly you should find LCM. 3 we can divide 3, 2 and 5. Now with 2.
If we do first with the 2 also correct, right?
No problem, no problem. Actually, we have to do like that. Is it same?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
get the same value? So
Yes, ma'am.
LCM is 3 into 2 into 5. So it is 30.
30.
30. So take each fraction 5 by 6 into 5 into 5, 25 by 30 and 13 by 15 into
15
2.
into 2.
Into 2. 26 by 30. So 26 by 30 is more. 26 by 30 is greater than 25 by 30 and our actual answer is 13 by 15. 13 by 15 greater than 5 by 6. Okay. So there is a lot of uses when we study the LCM for addition, subtraction and comparison of unlike fractions. Okay, children. If you have any doubt, you ask me now, since I am going to take a new topic now. It is the last topic of this chapter. Okay, if you have any doubt, you ask me. Yes?
Can you show the board?
Yes, yes. Okay, finish children?
Yes,
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay then. Next our topic is draw fractions on a number line. Fractions on the number line. On the number line. Okay, children. So I will explain it. Question is, show, don't write the question, listen to me. 1 by 2 on the number line. Show 1 by 2 on the number line. Okay. Okay, children, show 1 by 2 on the number line. Just look at the numerator. What is numerator?
1.
1.
We have to locate this 1 by 2 on the number line. Locate 1 by 2 on the number line. So there is an easy method, a simple trick. Okay. So look at the numerator. Numerator is 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, you write 0 and 1 like this. 0 and 1. If it is 3, you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Clear?
Ma'am.
0 and 1. Okay. And it is divided by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, children. Are you listening? Okay.
Yes,
So
Ma'am.
here denominator is 2, right? 2.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
So you write 0, 1 and 2 like this. Leave a gap. Leave a gap. Then divided by 2, right? So 0 by 2, 1 by 2 and 2 by 2 you have to write. Clear? What is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
first step is, you look at the denominator. What is denominator?
2.
2. So you write from 0 onwards. 0, 1 and 2. If it is 3, denominator is 3. How will you write? 0, 1, 3. If it is denominator is 4.
0, 1,
1, 2, 3, 4. Start from 0. Start from 0. Then if it is denominator is 5, how will you write?
0, 1,
0, 1,
2,
3, 4, 5.
5.
Okay. So it is 0, 1, 2. Now look at that denominator is divided by 2, right? So we have to write divided by 2, divided by 2, and divided by 2. And children, what is 0 by 2? What is 0 by 2?
And 2.
0 by 2 is?
0.
0. 0. 1 by 2 leave like that because that is our question. And 2 by 2 is? What is 2 by 2?
2,
2.
1.
2 by 2 is? 1. So you understood where is the place of 1 by 2?
Yes, I know.
Between
Ma'am.
Between
0 and 1.
So,
Okay. So you draw a number line. Okay. 1, 0 you mark. 1, 1 you can mark. And in between 1, 1 by 2. Enough. Only this.
okay, ma'am.
So how will you do?
ma'am, we have to
First, we have to check the
First we have to
denominators.
check the
Denominator.
Denominator.
numbers up
And
to
we have to
Okay,
write
okay. Wait.
start
I'll
from
give the
0.
second question. Okay, I'll give the second question. Wait. I'll show it. I'm not erasing. I'll give the second question. Second question is, show 1 by 3 on the number line.
Ma'am,
Wait. How will you write?
we have
First of all,
Ma'am, first, we have to write from 0, 1,
1, 2, 3.
3.
and 3.
0, 1, 2,
2 and
and
3.
3. Okay.
Then we have to look.
And divide by
Then
3 because
divided
divide by
by
3 is
3.
our answer. Divide by 3,
By 3,
divide by
divided
3 and divide by 3.
Divided by 3.
Okay. 0 by 3 is 0.
0.
1 by 3 you
same
write
as
like
the
that.
question.
1 by 3.
And 2 by 3 is like that itself. 3 by 3 is 1.
1.
Okay. And you draw a number line. 0, 1 by 3,
1 by 3.
2 by 3,
2 by 3.
and 1. Where is our 1 by 3 or 1 by 3 is here?
Between 0 and
Between 0 to by
0 and 2 by 3 or between 0 and 1. And how many parts you marked, that also it is very important. 1, 2, 3 parts. Clear? First, one, how many parts, children? Between 0 and 1, how many parts? 3 parts.
3 bar.
One part is this, second part and the third part. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
One more question. See this. How many parts you can see?
ma'am, 3 parts.
3 parts.
2 parts. 2 parts.
Ma'am, it is 2 parts.
For 1 by 2, how many parts?
2 parts.
2 parts.
2 parts.
1 by 3, how many parts? 3 parts.
3 parts.
Next one. Next question. Third one. Show 1 by 5 on the number line. See, children, when we are showing this, we can show the other fraction also. There is one fraction 2 by 3. Did you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
If the question is 2 by 3. It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 minute, children. If this question is 2 by this question is only 1 by 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So no need of writing that 2 by 3 there.
Ma'am, should we write this?
1 minute. Just put a dot only. Clear, children?
Yes.
Clear. 1 minute. I'll write it again. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. I'll write it again, children. See. 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1. Okay. Here our aim is to show only that 1 by 3, right? So 0 you mark. This is 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 you just mark one marking only. No need of showing that. Now is it okay? If it is to show 2 by 3, what will you do? No need of showing that 1 by 3. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
And what is our next question? Our next question is show
Can you show the
1
first?
by 5. Wait. I'll explain. Our question is, third question. Show 3 by 5 on the number line. 1 minute. 1 by 5 on the number line. On the number line. How will you do?
Ma'am, we have to write
Right. 0, 1,
0, 1,
2,
2,
3,
2,
4, 5.
3, 4, and 5. Because denominator is 5. So start from 0 because our number line starts from 0 onwards. And next step, you divide by 5. All. And what is your next step?
Write the answer.
0 by 5. 0 by 5.
0.
What is 0 by 5?
0.
0. And 1 by 5.
1 by 5.
And 2 by 5 is one part. 2 by 5. And 3 by 5 is another part. 4 by 5 is another part. We don't want that. And 5 by 5 is 1. 1. So draw a number line. And where is the position?
Ma'am,
First is
0
0.
first.
And this
And
is
last
1
is
by
1.
5.
1 by 5.
And this 2 by 5 just mark. 3 by 5 also just mark. 4 by 5 also mark. And this one is 1.
1.
Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is asked, which is our question. According to that, you draw the number line. Other things you don't, no need of marking. Clear? But the point should be there. 0, 1 by 5, 2 by 5 represents 1 point, 3 by 5, 1 point, 4 by 5, 1 point, and 1 is another point. Okay. Now you draw from the first one onwards. This is our first question. Show 1 by 2 on the number line. Number line. Yes. And the second question. 1 minute. Second question is this.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, you said about the part rate. How many parts like that?
Look at the parts.
Ma'am, I
Count.
didn't understand how to do.
From 0 to 1. How many parts are there?
Ma'am, 4.
Here. Start from count the parts. How many parts are there? From 0 to 1 by 3. 1 part. 2 parts. 3 parts. That is number lines. This one you no need of counting. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How many parts are there? 3 parts. So 1 by 5, how many parts will be there?
1 by 5.
5 parts. According to the denominator.
Okay, ma'am.
According to the denominator, if it is 3, 1 by 3, 3 parts. If it is 1 by 5, 5 parts.
5 parts.
Okay. And this is the third question.
Ma'am, my device is sound.
Okay, children,
Now,
on
shall I leave
Tuesday,
and
on
leave
to-
and I join again.
okay, on Tuesday, shall I take a class test on this chapter, fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So, shall I give the next question? You have to explain how to do.
Okay, ma'am.
1 second.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Can you show the
Yes.
Can you show third question?
Third question.
Yes. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, it is a tricky method. We normally teachers will not do like this. They will make some parts and count the parts and give.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show second question?
Second question is 1/3 on the number line.
Show 1/3 on a number.